Good morning, class. So today we are going to see Unit 4, the fight. Okay, so before going with this lesson, let us see about the author. Author is Perry Thomas. Perry Thomas. He was born 13th September 1928, US, United States of America. He was died 17th October 2011, US only. Okay, his autobiography Down means street, means he was a writer of that quality that his autobiographies, his books is coming down doesn't means that he don't have a respect or he don't have a importance, but the means is this that coming down means, as you can see, the along with means as you are doing one work, and along with this work, as he was a lecturer also in so many schools and universities across the USA, United States of America. So along with the writing, along with this lecturership, he was also writing a books, and his books are coming down, means his autobiography is down means street means that one work he was doing as a lecturer and another work he was doing as a writer or poet. Okay, so this is moving along with this work the same way. Okay, and now this came down means towards the street means in a local level. Okay, the local level, as you have seen, no, street players, no, like bathroom singers, then from the bathroom only they are going to be up, from the street only they are going to be state level, and then national, then international. No, so the same way here his books are also studied in a street level, means from top to bottom all are studying his books. Okay, this is the meaning, down towards the street. Okay, here as he has took the title the fight. The fight means लड़ाई, आपस में लड़ना. No, this is the meaning of fight, no, but here is also the meaning is same, but in not that way. The way is something else or different, means here the fight is in the form of competition. Here two friends are here, as in this the story is here 17 years old Antonio Cruz and Felix Vargas. They both are the childhood friend. Okay, and here there were a lightweight championship. Each has fought many boxing matches and won a few medals. Recently, they have been informed that they will fight each other in the division final 2 weeks away. The winner will represent the boys club in the Golden Globes Championship tournament. A friend, 17 years old boys, Antonio Cruz and Felix. Okay, and they both have to fight where? In the tournament. Okay, and whoever is going to be winner, that boy is going to represent the boys college. Okay, So this thing we are going to see here. So here, one morning less than a week before their match, Antonio and Felix met as usual for their daily walkout. They run lightly along the river edges. As what happened here, as usual, they were moving, or they had a morning walk, no, like this way. So they were doing 1 week before a match. Okay, and here Antonio glanced at Felix. What happened here? What the Antonio has done? He was glanced like this way. He was looking. No. And here, so after a mile or so, Felix said, "Let's stop a while, bro. I think we both got something to say to each other." When they both are walking like this way, so now after a few minutes, now the Antonio said that, "Bro, I think let's stop, because we both want to talk to each other. We both want to say to each other." Okay, so here Antonio nodded. It was not natural to be acting as though nothing unusual was happening when two best friends were going to be blasting each other within a few days. So what the Antonio has done, he has nodded. Nodded means Hilana, Sir Hilana. Okay, so but it is not possible that you just show him your friend is asking that he wanted to talk to you, or you also wanted to talk to him, and there you are just giving such expression that no, you don't have anything to say. No, because they both were the fast friends, so they knows each other very well. Okay, so here, and this is also very difficult that after 1 week they are going to be blast each other. So here Felix leaned on the river's railing and stared across the shore of the Brooklyn. So here what the Felix has done, Felix was leaned down on the railing. Lean down means like this way. Suppose this is the river, okay, and this is the railing, and they both were moving, as you can see here. The river, across the river, this is the railing. So here he was just leaned down like this way, as we also used to do, no? This is the railing. So here he was leaned down like this way, and then they start talking. They had a chat, and here Antonio helped. It's about a fight, right? So Antonio was there. He said that what I wanted to talk to you, or what you wanted to talk to me, it's all about fight. Then Felix also said yes, right. Then here I've been thinking about is too. In fact, since we found out it was going to be me and you, I've been awake a night, pulling, punching on you, trying not to hurt you. So what now, they both were talking. One person was there, one friend is being like this way, another was standing like this way, and what they were talking, they were saying ki nowadays, no, I'm unable to sleep at night, and even sometimes what happened, I awake in the middle of the night, and what I used to start thinking, I was thinking only this thing, how that I'm hitting you, punching you, and I'm trying that my punch will not hurt you. No, as they are punching like this way, this way, this way, but here they both were talking that I'm thinking that I'll hurt you, punch you, but my punch will not hurt you. Is it possible? Is it not possible? No, no. If you are going to punch or hurt someone, it definitely it hurts, no? So here they both were talking this thing only, and here it ain't natural not to think about the fight. I mean, we both are fighters and we both want to win, but only one of us can win. There and no draws or in the elimination. What they both were talking, they both were saying that we both want to win the medal, we both want to become a champion, but it cannot be possible. Only one person can be a champion. No, no. So here, and the match also cannot be going to be draw. So for that, in this condition, Felix tapped Antonio gently on the shoulder. Tony, let's promise something right here. Okay. So now what they both were doing, as earlier he was standing like this way. Now what the another one doing? He was just keeping his hand on his friend's shoulder like this way. We will do one promise. What promise? That the promise is this, that also we are going to read over here, that the promise is this, as here first, whether we win, anyone only going to be win the match, but after the match our friendship will be in the means the same or continue. This fighting is not going to be effect on our friendship. Okay, so this was the promise among them, and one more promise is there. So that's why what they have said, now we are not going to meet each other for coming week, because when we are going to meet each other, it's very difficult us to fight with each other, because we both are the good friends. No. So this promise they have done, and with this commitment they both were now start working or morning walk or their practice separately. Okay, but because of the friend circles, they both came to know from each other what the Felix is doing or what the Cruz is doing. Okay, how they came to know means about their practice, about their schedule, about the coach, everything they came to know without talking to each other. How it's possible? It's possible with the help of the friend circles. Okay, so here now they had a promise, or they had a, you can say, the deal. Now they both Amigo brothers means in a local language, in Spanish, this is a good friends, as we in our common languages, no, we used to call hi bro, like this way. The same way they were also, now they hug each other very tightly like this way, as the friends are hugging, no, the same way. And now they both were start practicing preparation for the championship. One side they were preparing for their championship, and another side the committee, they were preparing the rest of the things, like what are the rest of the things? The rest of the things like posters. What they have done, the large posters plastered all over the wall of local shop announced the fight between Antonio Cruz and Felix Vergez as the main match. The fight had created great interest when the people they saw the on the posters, there on the banners, on the pamphlets and newspapers, the match between the two friends, and the people they knows both of them that they both were the good friends as well as the good champion also. So here people had a great interest to see their match. Okay, as when we had a match between India and Pakistan, no, that time the public is having the different curiosity about that match. No, the same way here also the people was having the great interest to see this match. So the fight was scheduled to take place in Tompkins Square Park. The gymnastic of the boys club was not large enough to hold all people who were excuse me, sure to attend. So in Tompkins Square Park, everyone who wanted could view the fight, whether from ringside or window, fire escapes or rooftop. So here, as what happened when the public came to know the match between the Antonio and Felix, so now here the public was having a great interest, and where this tournament was fixed. In this place, the playground was not too much big. No, Tompkins Square Park. So that was not large as like the other national or international parks, but this is a simple school tournament. No, so but for that also the crowd was too much over there, and the crowd is not having place, but then too wherever they are having the place, like from the railing, from the top roof, from the door, from anywhere they got a place to see the match. Like this way they were ready to see the match. Okay, so here the local junior high school across from Tompkins Square Park served as a dressing room for all the fighters. So that Tompkins Square Park was as a dressing room, and here the loud speaker blared into open window of the school. There were speeches by dignitaries, community leaders and great boxers of yesteryears. This great day was in the tradition of champions emerging from the street of the Lower East Side. So there was as you have seen before starting any of the function or any of such kind of program, there was a speech. So there was also a speech, and this is related to the boxing. So there was also so many boxers were also there. Boxers से आपको याद आया कुछ? अभी कोई बॉक्सर था जो कि बहुत ऊपर था और एकदम से डाउनफॉल हुआ. वो ये वाला डाउनफॉल नहीं था जो इनका हुआ, ये तो इम्पोर्टेंस वाला है. बट yes, right, I am talking about Sushil Kumar. No, good, very good.